Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's 100% commission funnel video, I'd like to share with you several reasons why we have included OLSP Megalink into the 100% commission funnel. If you're watching this video on YouTube, there'll be a link to join in the description. And if you watching this video within the 100% commission funnel, excuse me, which will be launching very soon, then you can join through the tab under the video. So first of all, I'm going to show you the reasons why, and then I'm going to show you some proof of commissions. I'm going to take you inside the members area and explain step by step how powerful this system is and the value you're going to get. So first of all, not only 100% commissions, but no monthly costs. So this product is a one-time $7, and the value that you're going to get with this product is absolutely insane. I'll come to that shortly. You can earn up to 7 income streams, including passive income, just by promoting one link. So if you want to promote it outside 100% commission funnel, it converts well. And just with it being in the funnel, you can again promote one link. It's got done for you autopilot email follow-ups that will promote your affiliate links. I'm going to explain how that works shortly. And there's a Facebook group of 145,000 members for help and training. And if you need any more help and support, I'll personally work with you one-to-one if you want like my help. Excuse me. And there will be an income disclaimer in the description. We're not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. We're just sharing with you what works for us and our team. And we've all got an equal opportunity to be able to join OLSP System Megalink and promote it as an affiliate. So let me show you some proof of commissions. You'll see here that the total earnings are top left-hand corner, $473.15. Now, what you've got to be aware of here, that's the wrong one there, let's go on to this one here. What's important to note here is that this is a one-time $7 payment. So I'm going to teach you how to promote your 100% commission funnel with free traffic. You can use paid traffic again if you want to do, but it's a one-time $7 payment, no monthly membership costs. If you promote using free traffic, you can see the potential of the profits. Now, there are a couple of products in here. This one here, Mega Messenger. So that's a passive income product. This one here, TD Pages Monthly. So that's also a passive income product. So it's not just one-off commissions. It's got passive income stream built into the system as well. So let's just have a look and show you what I recommend you do. If you want to get more information, the link in the description will give you access to this video here, and you can come and meet the owner, Wayne Crowe. This is the owner of OLSP System and Megalink. So Wayne has been online for over 10 years. He's made over $15 million, and he's here to help everyone from beginners to intermediates to advanced affiliate marketers succeed. So if you're looking for a mentor, then Wayne Crowe is here to help you every step of the way. That's just a short 10-minute video there that explains exactly how everything works. So let's go now. The training's absolutely superb. The training you're going to get, you've got a social media training. You could even get paid for commenting here, get paid for commenting on social media. There's a fast start challenge. You'll see here the live trainings here, how to become financially free. So he does trainings that's 2 days time upcoming events here. So he does live trainings, he does replays, and Wayne does all the trainings himself. So very, very active within his own product and community. So let's have a look now at the how the system works and how simple this is and the value you're going to get. So what happens is when you join, you get what's called a mega link. Now, all a mega link is just an affiliate link that you're going to promote. So if you look in the top right hand corner here, it says your mega link. So you're just going to copy and paste that and promote that one link there. Now, what the mega link is, takes your prospects to a lead capture page. It's a done for you lead capture page. You'd have to create any lead capture pages. You'd have to create any autoresponder messages. Your prospects will opt into here. And then this is when the magic really starts to happen with this system. So what happens is when your prospects opt in, let's just change that to a line. You'll see on here on this video tutorial that Wayne's done himself, that this line here is really important, because everything to the left of the line is all you've got to do here. Everything here is all you've got to do, and that's just one thing. And that one thing is driving traffic to your mega link, to your lead capture page, and that's it. So all you've got to do, and it's going to teach you how to do free traffic, he'll teach you cheap traffic, and he'll teach you paid traffic. And then when the magic really happens there, then everything over here on the right hand side of the line is a complete 100% done for you system. I've never seen a product with so much value for $7 than I have within this system here. Let me show you what you're going to get. So you're going to promote your lead capture page, which is your mega link. Your prospects are going to opt in here, and they're going to go onto an email list. So this will be your email list, because Wayne and his team, he's got 32 staff. This cost him $250,000, this system. His team are going to send out emails for you. So emails are going to go out for you. Now these emails are going to go out continually. And the great thing about these emails is that they're on autopilot. So you could be asleep, you could be awake, you could be at work in your job, you could be out with your family and friends, and those emails are going out. Now within those emails, he's going to promote offers with your affiliate links in. Now he's got his own products, and he's created his own products that convert into commissions. So there's low ticket products, there's medium ticket cost, there's monthly recurring products, and there's higher ticket products. And if anybody buys one of these products that's got your affiliate links in, that's where you start to earn the commissions. So you can see the potential and the value that you're going to get. This is a complete, everything over here is a complete 100% done for you system. Now it gets better than that, because one of the main reasons that people fail online is that they don't have anybody to talk to, they don't have any help, they don't have any support, and they don't get trained. So the training is ongoing, up to date, and the Facebook group is the community that he's built with 145,000 members in the Facebook group by Wayne Crowe here. So Wayne is very, very active within his Facebook group. You're going to get all the help, the support, the training. You've got everything you need within this system to become successful with OLSP System Megalink. So if you are watching this on YouTube, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. If you're watching it within the 100% commission funnel, then please click subscribe. There'll be, if you're watching it on YouTube, you can subscribe under the video. If you're watching it on 100% commission funnel, there'll be a little button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen where you can subscribe to my channel, and then you're going to get notified of all my new videos, because I currently do several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you are watching it on YouTube, my email address will be in the description, and if you'd like any help with your affiliate marketing, I do mentor students one-to-one. Just send me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.